My name is Mariah, and I'm a graduation and degree audit specialist with Student Records at MRU.
And my name is Andrea, and I'm the graduation and convocation specialist at MRU.
I'm Nicole Cross, and at the time of the nomination, I was the Director of Records, Curriculum, and Scheduling at Mount Royal. This team truly values every single student that they are auditing. Because when you hear records, you think like, we're robotic and we just sit back there and process records. They're not. Like, this group is absolutely phenomenal in how they approach something that is so data heavy.
We do our little part to help the student experience and to help students start being at Mount Royal and end being at Mount Royal, and hopefully down the road being involved as an alumni and never really leaving Mount Royal.
So for me, there's almost like a full circle moment that's going on. So I graduated from the program and now I'm helping other students do the same. Being able to see myself in the students is a really cool aspect of the role that I wasn't expecting to see.
There's so much interaction between all the different departments within the Office of the Registrar, and we know that we've got their back and they have our back because we want the student to feel like they're being heard and they're being listened to and that we're doing our best for them.
For me, I think receiving this award, it's validated a lot of the things that I have believed about this team for a very long time.
It feels really great to be acknowledged because a lot of the work we do is supposed to be behind the scenes. So to receive this award felt like, hey, we acknowledge all the work that you do, even if we don't understand the breadth of it, which I found like humbling and also very empowering.